Hi, I am Emmanuel Pisior at mag-share ako sa inyong text with Tagalog na. Nung sinaktan mo, umiyak ako. Nung iniwan mo ako, tinanggap ko lang. Hindi kitang pipiliting maging akin dahil alam kong ano ang magpapasaya sa'yo. Siya. Itong English. Ito talaga ang eh, sorry. Medyo wala akong sa English. Kaya ito na. Never accept love to be always at its best, because if you do, you'll never appreciate its existence. There will always be one true love for you to have and hold. It may not be the one the one you accept, but it's the one you deserve.